So remember to go ahead and subscribe. Okay, support small business. I don't want to even call myself a small business anymore. Okay, I need to make the big bank. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kendra. I'm the owner of Kendra LA Boutique, where we sell women clothes. If you're an outfit for brunch, dinner, you know, anything, we got you. So make sure you subscribe. Go to the website right now and leave your email so we can send you new article, all that good stuff. So make sure you go and click the website and go shop with us, period. Anyways, if you're watching me again, thank you for watching. Welcome back. So today, as you guys can see, it's been a long time. I haven't posted on YouTube. I haven't been, you know, consistent on my business. No, it's been a rough second quarter for me, but I'm back and I'm not going anywhere this time, so you guys gonna see me more. Anyway, so have some new outfit today. I want to show you guys before I drop them to the website. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Period. So first and foremost, I have this and I'm gonna, you know, try them so you guys could see how they look on me and how they're gonna look on you. First, we got this. We got this dress with long sleeve, yellow print. So let's see how it look. Let me get a medium so I can show you guys. I can't see the size. How am I gonna see the size? How am I gonna see the size? Okay, never mind. These come on extra large, small, medium, and large. There's the large. There's the medium. We're gonna look at the medium, okay? So we got the medium right here. So I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you guys everything about this dress, how it looks. This dress, wow, you guys. This is mine anyways. Oh wait, that's the back. That's the back, that's the front. So let's see how it look, okay? So I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna try everything at the end when I don't show you guys everything. So yeah, so I don't wanna, you know, get dressed, you know, doing all this. So I'm gonna do it after I show you guys everything that I have. And this dress also is from the boutique. I don't know if I have it on the website anymore, but yeah, we gotta get into it. I'm such a silly person. Anyways, next we have this bag. I don't know if you guys saw this bag on the gram. So I did have them last year, I think. Yeah, last year. Now I restock. So let's see. They vegan leather. I don't know. So Saint Laurent, Chanel, Dior. It's French, but yeah. So those bags, they big. You can take them as a personal item if you're traveling, if you're going somewhere, you know, you have to carry like summer stuff. This bag is the right bag for you. Okay, it's the right bag for you. I have it on black. I'm gonna check the other color, but yeah, these are how it comes. You know, that's the inside. They have like this packet inside, so no bad smell. If you guys want one, you guys need to go ahead and subscribe, so when I drop them, you'll be the first one to know. I don't have that much left in the black one, so if you guys want one, go ahead and subscribe, so when I drop them, you'll be the first one to know. And if you are a first-time customer, guess what, you get 20% off. Yep, you get 20% off. So yeah, that's the bag. I have a brown period. I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know if I have a picture with it, I will show you. I have black, tan, ivory. So if you want one of those color, okay, this is the ivory color. Same thing, I speak fluent French. So if you are looking for a white bag, this is your chance to get one. This is the sign. All right, inside the same thing. They have like a big packet. You can put your phone, glasses, car keys, money, wallet. Yeah. With the flash on, you guys cannot really see the color the way I see it. I think, yeah, it's more like, you know, darker color. But yeah, same thing. I speak French. Chanel, Dior, Saint Laurent, Hermes. Yeah, and all of them have inside packet. So if you guys want one, go ahead and subscribe. They're hard to find, they're hard to come by. Okay, I've been waiting on them since last year. They just now restocked last month. So if you guys want one, go ahead and subscribe, so when I drop them, you will be the first one to know, and you grab yours before it's sold out, because they don't last. Okay, they do not last. Alright guys, so now I'll show you guys the bags. So remember to go ahead and subscribe. Okay, support small business. I don't want to even call myself a small business anymore. Okay, I need to make the big bank. Move on to the next one. We got no time to waste. Okay guys, so right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. I have 6 pieces, so I'm gonna show you guys and try them on. So in total I have 6 pieces that's gonna be on the website soon. I don't know when, maybe in August, because with my daughter, I don't know, I can't really do much. So shout out to the first time mom. I know it's hard, because it's hard for me too. it's super hard. I can't really get anything done with my daughter when she's here. So that's why I just woke up from my nap, and it's like 7 o'clock at night, and I have to do the video because I've been wanting to record this video, like so much videos, but because of her I can't do that. And it's okay, she's not here right now, so we're gonna get everything done right now, and I'm super hungry. So anyways, enough about my daughter. First I have this two-piece summer ready. This is a small, and it's very stretchy. Yep, small. And that's the pants. I can't wait to try it for you guys. So that's the two-piece I have right now, and it's very stretchy. It's see-through on top. Yeah, see-through on top. Let me see the pants. The pants too. Yeah, see-through some part. This thing. So let's move on. That. Yeah. What you guys think? You guys love it? Improvement. After I've come with the boutique. It takes time. It takes time and money. So if you run a boutique business, e-commerce, whatever, it takes time to find, you know, who you are. And because I've been in this for like 2 years, but I'm not really focusing. But right now the game is on. All right, the game is on. You guys will see. Let me see. It's not see-through, so you guys cannot see my panties, but you know. It's very stretchy, and it's a small. I think I remember. Let me see. Yes, it's a small. So, like I said, click the link down below and subscribe to the email and text list so you guys can get the notification when I drop them. I need to take pictures with them first, then post it. This is a dress. I think he has like a pink. I don't know. I'm not seeing no pink. Oh, this is the pink. Anyways, that's my favorite. That's a small also. So for my body yaddy 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 yaddy. Okay, I have to try it for you guys to see. Like it have an open on the side, as you guys can see. It have an open, and okay, boom, it's like that. Where's the other two these go? Oh, right here. Anyways, we have to try it on and see how it look. All right, next we have this dress. If you have big titties, this is not for you. Okay, because this side can even cover my boobs. Let me see. You have to check. Okay. if you are buying this dress, get your size or get you a size up, because it's not very stretchy, so we don't want to, you know, get anything too small, because this one is a small, but it's like it's kind of hard to put on, so you know what I mean. I'm just transitioning to small to medium, so I'm kind of sad about it. Yeah, I love it. You know, on Sunday we got lunch with the girls. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the YouTube. Subscribe to the text list. Yeah, man. I love it. It's so colorful. Not very stretchy, guys. So get your own size. This is a small. It's a small. I think it's going to the neck and big. We'll see how you look on me. I know. You are my African queen, the love of my dream. Anyways, so we got this dress. What you guys think? African queen. But yeah, what do you guys think? It's not a stretchy material, so you have elastic on the waist. Next one. I don't know if I'm doing this right, so I won't get it right next time, so you guys bear with me. Bear with me. I got this white dress. It comes with this, and I'm gonna show you guys how to style it. Okay, you guys, this is the white one. It comes with the chain on the back. What is it? So you like put on the back. Since I'm home alone, I can't really, you know, put the chain to show you guys. So I will show you guys a picture, not my picture though, like how it's supposed to look on here. That's the dress. The dress is not the dress without the chain. Yeah, last but not least though, I have one more I forgot to show you guys. I have one more. So this is it. Okay, I'll show you. I'll put a picture, you know, on the screen and show you guys how it's supposed to look on you. Get yours now. Okay guys, this is the last one. That's the black dress. I'm wearing a small and it's like stretch, so oh my god, I'm a clown. But yeah, this is this one. For the next one, we have a set. So bam, this is the top. He said blues, white, electronic, metal, pop, hip hop, rap. This is let's see what size. This is a medium, so that's like a oversized shirt, but not really. You see, it's kind of big. And that's the bottom. Very much a see-through. That's why the shirt is big, so it can cover your butt. I think I have this all the way to extra large, so I have to double check for you guys. Small, medium, large, and extra large. Maybe you guys have to check the website, and when I send the email, so you guys have to see. Yeah, this is it. Very much see-through. And it comes with some I don't know what that goes, so I'll show you guys like everything in a minute. I have no bra on. No bra on. And these are look. This is optional if you want. This is optional. Focus. Anyways, this is optional if you want. You can put it on the front. I don't want to put it right now. You can put it on the front, the back, the side. This is optional, so you don't really need it. So if you feel like the shirt is like too big, you want to tie it up, you can use it. But yeah, this is it. The short is very much stretched because I have a medium, because I think I was fat, big, so I got a medium. But yeah, it's very much big, so but it doesn't look like it when you wear it. Let me show you. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, that's the set. So what you guys think so far? You guys loving it? Loving it? Give me a thumbs up. Next one, I have this set, this white set. I don't know why I buy white so much. This is the pants. You have like a double on the bottom, so you don't have your panties on show. This is how the fit is. Focus. Okay. Alright, this is it. This is like a small, but it's like stretchy. And this is the top. So let's go right into fitting, guys, and that's it. So yeah, it's very much stretchy and it's a small, no packet. That's it. That's it for this video, guys. So let me know what you think. Are you gonna buy? Did you subscribe and get your 20% off? Well, you should. Anyways, go ahead and follow my personal Instagram, my business Instagram, because why not? It won't cost you anything just to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe here too to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment for me and let me know what you think of the video. If you are a small business, you're struggling, just let me know. I am too, sis. Just don't be shy. Put yourself out there. Let me know what's going on. Let me know how you guys feeling, and let me know what you guys think of this new drop. Are you gonna, you know, grab some and support and be a customer, a client? Anyways, so see you guys in the next video, which I'm going to talk about something else, and you guys don't want to miss it.